Good morning, students. I am Kuldeep Singh. Today I am going to explain you the chapter 2, class 9, moral science chapter, that is destined to win or change the destiny. So, how can we change our destiny? If we are having a full hope on our God, or we have a full confidence on us, then we can change our destiny. We can change anything. So, here is a small story by the Japanese samurai wardrobe who was preparing for a battle. So he know that the enemies, the number of army, his army was less as compared to the enemies. Then he knew the soldiers were be caught up very badly, but he has a full energy and enthusiastic. He knew that very few in number and the enemy would merciless kill them. So on the early morning of the battle, the wardrobe took his man to the temple for prayer. He done the prayer over there and took a coin and tell, I shall toss of this coin. If it is head, we shall win. If it is tail, we shall lose. So he do the toss. Then they got a head. All were very happy. Then God will help us. So in the battle, they win. All were enjoying the victory celebration. Then, well, no one can change the destiny. So they know that no one changed the destiny, and at the last he knows that he proved that the coin which he tossed, all the coins which he tossed, on the both side of that coin there is a head, no tail is there. So whatever he will toss, he will surely get a head. When something happen, we term a fate or destiny. We think we are helpless. It is a very wrong concept, because everyone has a power to determine his future. One's destiny is molded by one's own action. The action will determine our future. So we have a action, we have a confidence. If we have a confidence, we can change our destiny. As the wardrobe has done, both the side he put a head and create a confidence in his army to win the battle. So finally they win the battle. So failure is something that stop from achieving a great thing in life. It happens just because we don't have the courage to accept them. As a result, we give up as soon as we fail. On the way success, we will have to face the failure. That is the true, that on your success there is so much difficulties will be there, but if you have a confidence, you can change your destiny. We can have a great confidence to success in your life, then surely you will success. Failures are common, leave them behind and go forward. Feelings of tiredness stop us from gaining success in life. This is the situation where one is not interested in any serious activity. It happens just because one does not have any goal in life. If you have a goal in your life and you target that I have to achieve that goal, then surely you will be success, and the God will help you. The God will success you toward your goal. So students, don't become a failure, always be a successful and try to change your destiny. So this chapter we learn that if we have a full confidence, we have a full enthusiasm, we can change our destiny. So try to solve this question answers. Thank you.